So you want to start a social media video series. Maybe you want to grow your online community, attract new clients, or show off your new teeth whitener. Whatever your reasoning is, video is a great way to establish yourself as a thought leader, expert, or influencer in your industry. And creating videos doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Here's where you can start. Number one, plan. You gotta zoom out and look at the big picture. What are you trying to accomplish with this video series? That video of your cat in the bread box? Adorable. Just don't know if it's gonna be effective in attracting new clients. Start with your goal and then determine what kind of video will help you accomplish it. Number two, presentation. Video is such a great way to connect with your community because they get to see your personality. But the key is we have to see your personality. What do you mean, show personality? This is my personality. Number three, production. There are all sorts of camera setups, but you could start today just by hitting record on your smartphone. Is this thing on? Perfect. Son of a... But if you do have the budget, I'd recommend a tripod and a diva light at the very minimum. And consider a simple editing app like InShot to add some text and take out any fluff. So you know what I mean? Because I'm gonna tell you something really important. So are you ready for it? Because here I go. This is what I'm gonna tell you. What I'm gonna tell you is this is what I mean when I say take out any fluff. And finally, number four, publish. And yes, I know, it is the scariest button that you've pressed since ding dong ditching Mrs. Simon's house in 8th grade. The sooner you get your video out there, the sooner you'll get feedback and the sooner you can make your next video that much better. And if you'd like help getting your video series out into the world, I wrote a book with you in mind, Confidently on Camera, How to Create Your First Video Series. Go to confidentlyoncamera.com.